Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're talking about the future. No, not flying cars. Well, not exactly. We're diving into the world of AI, specifically, the essential AI tools every engineer should have in their toolkit for 2025. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill software. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the game changers that are shaping the future of engineering, one line of code at a time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this one. Let's get started. First up, we have TensorFlow. Now, if you're serious about AI and deep learning, TensorFlow is non-negotiable. Developed by Google, this open-source library gives you the power to build and deploy everything from simple machine learning models to sophisticated neural networks. Think of it as the engine of your AI projects. It's robust, it's scalable, and it's used by some of the biggest names in tech, which tells you something about its capabilities. But don't let that intimidate you. TensorFlow might seem daunting at first, but trust me, there are tons of resources out there to get you up to speed. Once you get a handle on it, you'll be amazed at what you can create. We're talking image recognition, natural language processing, predictive analytics. The possibilities are honestly mind-blowing. Next, we have PyTorch, another giant in the world of AI. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch is all about flexibility and ease of use. If you're looking for a framework that allows for dynamic computation graphs and feels intuitive to use, PyTorch is your go-to. One of the things I love about PyTorch is its Pythonic nature. It just feels natural to code in, especially if you're already familiar with Python, which, let's face it, most of us are. It's also incredibly powerful. Don't let the ease of use fool you. PyTorch is being used to power some seriously advanced AI applications, from self-driving cars to medical imaging. And the community? Top-notch. You'll find tons of support, tutorials, and pre-built models to help you get your projects off the ground running. Now let's talk about a tool that's essential for any engineer working with data, AI, or otherwise Jupyter notebooks. This isn't your typical IDE. This is where your code, visualizations, and documentation all come together in one beautiful interactive environment. Imagine this. You're working on a complex machine learning model, and you want to tweak some parameters and see the results in real time. Jupyter Notebooks lets you do just that.